How to dice an onion. So I have the root intact on the onion. I have cut off the stem end. You want to leave the root intact because it will release more sulfur and you'll start crying faster. So what I want to do is I want to cut straight through this root end of my onion. My knife is nice and sharp. Now I'm going to make small incisions in the onion, but I'm not going to go down into the root end here. I'm going to stay away from this because I need this to be completely intact. So I make these small slits. Hope you can see okay. And then I'm going to cut through this way. I'm going to hold on to the sides of my onion, but I don't want to cut straight through. I want to keep my knife at a bit of an angle. Okay? You see the angle that I've got there? Then I'm going to hold on, keep my knife up against my knuckle. That's always a cardinal rule. And just trim this up here. There's no waste. And this, my friends, is how you dice an onion. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.